Welcome. If you're managing a Telegram group and want to prevent new members from needing admin approval to join, especially after the latest Telegram web update, this guide is for you. Today, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process to disable join request approvals for your group using Telegram web on your PC. First, open Telegram web in your browser and log into your account. Once you're in, navigate to the group where you're an admin. Click on the group to open the chat window. Now, look at the top of the screen and click on the name of your group. This will take you to the group's profile page. Here, you'll see an edit icon, usually shaped like a pencil. Click on that edit icon to access the group's settings. Inside the settings menu, find and select the section labeled Invite Links. This is where you manage how people can join your group. You'll see a list of invite links. To change the approval setting for an existing link, simply right-click on the link and select Edit. If you'd rather create a new invite link with your preferred settings, just click on Create a New Link. In the link settings, look for the option labeled Request Admin Approval. If this is enabled, anyone using the link will need to be approved by an admin before joining. To allow members to join instantly, disable this option by toggling it off. Once you've made your changes, click on Create if you're making a new link, or Done if you're editing an existing one. Your group's invite link will now allow new members to join directly, without waiting for admin approval. That's it. With just a few clicks, you've streamlined the joining process for your Telegram group on Telegram web. This update makes it easier for people to join and participate in your community right away, while you still have full control over your group's invite links. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with other group admins. Thanks for watching and enjoy managing your Telegram group with confidence.